Hi everyone, welcome back to BrainTech Skills, the place where you can learn Microsoft Azure in an easy and simple way. If you missed my earlier videos, like what was before cloud and what is Azure, do check them out first. They will help you to understand today's topic better. You will find the links in the description. Now, let's dive into the something super exciting today. Azure data centers in India. Do you know how many Azure regions Microsoft operates in India? Which cities are they in? And more importantly, which one is the most resilient and ready to power your apps with the highest availability? Well, this video has the answers. Let's get started. Well, Azure data centers in India. A look at the future of cloud. Is your data really safe in the cloud, especially in India? Yes, Microsoft Azure has strategically placed data center across India to ensure data security, low latency, and compliance with local laws. These are not just global centers, they are designed with India's digital future in mind. Azure Data Center, a strategic choice for India. Yes, India's rapidly expanding digital economy demands a reliable and scalable cloud infrastructure. Microsoft Azure strategically established data center in India to address this growth need, offering low latency and localized data security. The presence of Azure data center in India signifies Microsoft commitment to the country digital transformation journey. If we are talking about how many Azure regions are there in India, Azure currently operates three important regions in India. First one is Central India, Pune. Second one is South India, Chennai. Third one is West India, Mumbai. And fourth region in Hyderabad is already under development. Azure operates three important regions in India and all are launched in 2015 with varying levels of redundancy and availability. If we are talking about our first region, that is Central India, Pune, its support availability zones along with three availability zones, and it's closely paired with South India, Chennai region. And if we are talking about resiliency, Central India Pune is a unique in India for its three availability zones, and it's providing stronger fault isolation and higher uptime, that is 99.99%. If we are talking about our second region, that is South India, Chennai, it does not have a availability zone and it's paired with Central India, Pune. And if we are talking about West India, Mumbai, it is also no availability zone and it's paired with South India, Chennai. If we are talking about resiliency of Chennai and Mumbai, it has single zone regions still compliant for data redundancy but not zonally redundant. Yes, and if we are talking about expansion plans of Microsoft Azure Data Center, so Microsoft has announced intentions to add a fourth India region in India, Telangana, under development since early 2022. In addition to that, Microsoft is rapidly expanding Pune infrastructure footprint in the PCMC Bhosri campus. And lastly, if we are talking about our quick summary of these regions in India, so you can check it out. This Central India, Pune, it has three availability zones along with South India paired and strongest resiliency zonal redundancy. Second one, South India, Chennai, it has only one zone. It's paired with Central India, good latency in Southeast India. West India region, it's closely paired with the South India and it has a one availability zone, ideal for West Northwest India's workload. And last one is Hyderabad, It's in the plan, it's in the under development, and it will be launched very soon. That was all about today's session. I hope you got a clear idea of where they are and why they matter. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to BrainTech Skills channel for more easy learning on Azure and cloud computing. And yes, please hit the bell icon so you never miss a new session. More interesting topics are coming up next, so stay tuned. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.